Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I want to introduce you to a new auto staking protocol named Rocket Launch. Let me give you a short introduction if you don't know what auto staking means. I mean, if you have been watching my channel for some time, of course you know what it is, but for those of you who are new here, this simply means you buy the tokens, you hold them, and you get rewarded just for holding the tokens, okay? So they have a fixed APY of 361,404.26%, which is pretty high, I would say, yeah. So daily, this means 2.27% daily. Yeah, what else is interesting about this? It's a deflationary model. Means 1% of trading volume. This means 1% of every buy and sell is burned. Yeah, so this should keep the price more stable, or maybe help to even increase the price. Yeah, and there's also an anti-dump mechanism. So they are also audited by TechRate. Let me show you. If you click here, this will open up, and as you can see, you can have a look at all the pages, but I'm just going to show you this here. Actually, checking status, passed, everything passed, as you can see here, okay? So, let me also show you on Twitter. They have 4,193 followers. And of course, they are right now in pre-launch, yeah? And usually, you know, if you buy pre-launch, first of all, you save the slippage. Because usually if you buy one of those projects, you have like a slippage of about 14 to 70%, usually somehow like this. And if you buy this in pre-sale, of course, you don't pay the slippage. And usually the price, I mean, it's never guaranteed, but the price should go up a little bit after launch. So let's have a look at the white paper. The white paper, let me show you. So you get your rewards every 30 minutes, yeah? Daily rewards, you get 2.27%. Anti-dump mechanism 1 to 5%. I will show you what this means later. Buy fees, you see here, you have a slippage of 12%. Sell fees, slippage of 14%. The good thing, if you buy this in pre-sale, you don't pay the slippage, as I've told you before. And what's also very good, there are no token transfers allowed, yeah? Because, you know, there were some projects who had a little bug, I would say, and they also had an anti-dump mechanism, but you could just, for example, you were just allowed to sell 1%, but if you would have transferred your tokens to another wallet, then you could sell even more. So this is not allowed here, which is very good. This is a very good feature, okay? So let me also show you pre-sale. Of course, you can, it's simply, you can buy a pre-sale with BNB and BUSD. You simply have them in your wallet. You exchange them for the Rocket Launch Finance tokens, and then you just hold them and collect your rewards, okay? How does auto staking work? I explained it to you. Anti-dump mechanism, let me show you. So they can adjust the percentage that you can sell daily from 1 to 5% depending on the price action. And yeah, they can adjust it, as you can see here. And then there's the max sales transaction. This means there's a limit. So even if the sales limit is 1% per day, yeah, you can't sell more than $3,000 per day, yeah. So if 1% of your holdings is $3,000, then you have a pretty big stack of these tokens. So yeah, this is another feature that they have to stabilize the price somehow and to avoid big dumps, okay? Then there's the bonfire burn. This means 1% of the purchase and sale of each token is sent to the burn wallet. Yeah, this means they are burned and not available in circulating supply anymore. So this should also help to stabilize the price. If you want to buy, yeah, you can go to enter pre-sale, for example. Here's the pre-sale. As I've showed you, you just connect your wallet. Pre-sale, yeah, the pre-sale ends on 24th of July. So you have, as you can see right now, pretty exactly 18 days left. Then you simply go here, for example, let me show you the dashboard, how it will look like. So this is the price for pre-sale, market cap, token holders, that's what it looks like. Yeah, here's the buy swap. This is what it will look like. Here you have a calculator and all of this stuff. Account, you will see how yeah, you will see your daily earnings here, your total earned, your balance, and all of this. Okay, so that's this project. As always, guys, you know, there's never a guarantee if such a project will be successful or not, and there's no financial advice from my side. I just want to show those projects. Always do your own research before you put your money in any project, because in the worst case you can lose it. In the best case you make a lot of money, but you never know. So always do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just going to show you projects that could maybe have some potential. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and see you.